Like me, man. I love the game. I love the hustle, man. Be feeling like one of the ball playing, you know, Bird, Magic or something. Yeah, you know what the brick though. Believe. What if I leave? The fans still gonna love me, man.
The lines at this gas station are so long. Look at this. It's literally a mess here. People are literally fighting over the gas pumps. Like, it's getting ridiculous. I'm loving these gas prices. I truly cannot wait until this car is on E85. So it's the following day. Unfortunately, there wasn't much action last night, so there really wasn't much to film. But today, we got a very busy day with a lot of shit to do. And I bet you guys want to know what's in this package. Quick ball! So as you guys know, I'm planning on wrapping the Charger because I'm just too bored of the factory color. And in today's video, you guys are gonna find out which color we're gonna be wrapping it. And when I say find out, I mean I'm gonna give you guys a few options and you guys are gonna pick.
Getting ready for the camera.
What's up, Nick?
What up, G?
You out here representing Mopar with that Scat Pack shirt.
Mopar, though, 1970 type.
That's
shit.
Some old right there.
That's the OG stuff.
So what's in here are 3 samples for the new wrap, and I'm gonna let you guys choose which color we should go with. Ooh, we got Miami blue right here. I don't think the camera can catch it.
Put it next to the car.
I mean, it looks too similar,
Oh no, that's fire.
It looks good, but it looks a lot better in person. All right, and then we got the other sample. You want to take that out?
Yeah.
So here's the orange. We got pink. I don't know how I feel about the pink. And then put the blue next to them. And we got the blue. So Miami blue, pink, or orange. I do like the pink a lot, but here's the thing. Well, not the pink. I mean, I do like the orange a lot, but I don't know how it would look orange with red interior. I think this color is the best color to go with the red interior. What do you guys think? I'm gonna let you guys choose. Pink, orange, or Miami blue. Nick, what do you say?
I say orange or blue.
Really?
Pink's kind of out of the question.
Pink is out
would
of...
be nice and all, but it's really
All right,
transparent.
out of the question. Okay, so it's between these two guys. Let me know in the comments below. Orange or Miami blue. And look what we got here. Woo! What's your place say?
30-year fix.
You took a mortgage payment on the ZR1? And look at how dirty the Hellcat is. This thing is filthy and it most definitely needs a car wash. But let's check out the ZR1. Look at these wheels. You got the bead locks with the Toyos. You got carbon fiber right here, carbon fiber right here, and carbon fiber right here. This thing is sick. So you got more carbon fiber here on the steering wheel, Alcantara, carbon fiber right here. And then the whole top is Alcantara. So we got the keys right here. Let's unlock the C8 and show you guys the interior. Look at this beautiful interior. You got white interior, white seats. It's white here and then the rest is black. And then you got carbon fiber right here, orange seat belts. What do you guys think? This is so cool. Let me show you guys how it looks from the front. This is the car that you do not want to tint because of how cool the interior looks through the windshield. Wow, that is cool. And then you also have another ZR1 here. This is a C6 ZR1, one of my favorite ZR1s. You got the blue brakes, you got the carbon fiber splitter, side skirts here, carbon fiber right here. Look at that, this thing is a beauty. What would you guys go with? The C6, the C8, or the C7? He literally has all the models here. What would you guys pick? C6, C7, or C8? And we're back here again. Now we gotta fill up the Hellcat. And be sure to follow my Instagram at ToxicSRT. $68 for a fill up, not bad. And the Hellcat is looking so clean. I just ran it through a touchless car wash because honestly I was way too tired and lazy to wash it by hand. So I went home, showered, put on a new outfit, and now we're gonna go meet up with some friends and hopefully we could get some action for you guys. boy, is that KFC?
Drop out, bro.
Drop out eating KFC.
Got that good food. Eating on the floor, man.
Bro, when you twin turbo your car, you just gotta, you know, save a little money on food. And look at this GT350. Wow, wow, wow. The color is beautiful. Wow. This is the nicest color I've ever seen on a Mustang. What's the name of this color?
This is the Heritage. I forget the name. White.
It's like pearl white, right? So this is the Heritage Edition. It's like pearl white. It's beautiful. Wow, and then we got a Demon here. We got another Mustang here. And check out this clean Vette. Look how beautiful this thing is. And the owner literally took his steering wheel with him. It literally has no steering wheel. Whew, look at this. Look at the new electric Cadillac. Wow, this thing is cool. Look at the interior. Wow. All right, the cops are here. We got one here, and then we got another one there, which means it's time to go. Hey! Y'all about to get pulled over. He's about to pull over that M4, watch. Oh boy, he pulled him over. Look at this beautiful orange Lamborghini. And it's also twin turbo by Underground Racing. Look what we got here. Wow. That's beautiful. Got a Diablo in yellow. We have a Huracan right here. What do you guys think of the wheels like that? That's different. And then we got this. Look how beautiful this thing is. Wow. Aventador. Ooh, look at the purple in here. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at these vents. Wow, that's beautiful. And then you've got the Mercy. We got an orange Huracan here, and then a McLaren 570 GT right there. Hey, he needs to straight pipe it. Oh my God, this thing is crazy. By the way, this is an SVJ. How sick it is. Wow. It's literally $1 million car right here. All right, Carlo, end the video for us.
Man, we came out here to Woodward. We had a great time. All these cars, good vibes, good people. So you know what's going on.
That's it.
What else is there?
Say bye, subscribe, like.
Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video. And, you know, that's all I want you to do.